Hey everyone, welcome to my podcast. Today we're going to talk about the possibility of AI replacing accounting jobs. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It is a field of computer science that deal with creation of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and also act. So how is AI being used in the accounting today? AI is already being used in a number of ways in the accounting industry. For example, AI-powered software can automate tasks such as data entry, bookkeeping, and tax preparation. AI can also be used to analyze financial data and identify trends and patterns that would be difficult or impossible for a human to spot on their own. So which accounting jobs are most at risk of being replaced by AI? The accounting jobs that are most at risk of being replaced by AI are those that are repetitive and rule-based. This include tasks such as data entry, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and payroll processing. Let me give you some real examples. Xero and QuickBooks are two popular accounting software packages that use AI to automate tasks such as bank reconciliation and invoice processing. Smile is another accounting software package that uses AI to provide insights to a business financial performance. Will AI replace all accounting jobs? It is important to note that AI is not going to replace all accounting jobs. There are still many accounting tasks that require human judgment and expertise. For example, AI cannot provide advice on complex tax matters or help clients to make strategic financial decisions. Then what would accountants do to prepare for the future of AI? Accountants who want to stay ahead of the curve need to develop skills that are complementary to the AI. These skills include problem solving and critical thinking. Second, data analysis and interpretation, communication and relationship building, and last, strategic planning and advising. So in conclusion, AI is going to have a significant impact on the accounting industry in the next 5 years. However, it is important to remember that AI is not going to replace all accounting jobs. Accountants who develop skills will be well positioned to be successful in the future workspace. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. See you guys in the next one.